Your WordPress site is written in a code language called PHP and uses a database to keep everything organized, like your usernames, posts, your post revisions, and a whole lot of other stuff you really don't think about whenever you sit down to write a post. Now, just like when you drive your car on a regular basis, every now and then you need to get a tune-up on your car so that it continues to run at its best and get the best gas mileage. Well, your WordPress site also needs a tune-up on the database every now and then to keep your site running at its best and loading in your visitor's browser as fast as possible. This video is going to show you how to do a basic tune-up or optimize your WordPress database. Now, before we do anything else, make sure that you have a fresh backup of both your files and your database. There are several ways in which we can optimize our database. I'm just going to tackle one and what I consider to be the easiest way, and that is to log into our cPanel control panel. Scroll on down until you get to the Databases module. Click on PHPMyAdmin. Then over here in the left column, if you've got several databases, make sure that you're optimizing the correct one. Actually, I would suggest doing this to all of your databases, but for the sake of this video, this is the one I'm looking at here. That's the database for our site here. And over here on the far right corner, let me see if I can squeeze this out a little bit, is the column for overhead. And there should be, like these, nothing in here, because these numbers here represent things that have taken place in these two tables that have left behind remnants or trash, if you will, or overhead. So a quick way to get rid of this stuff or optimize these tables is to come over here next to where it says check all and just click on this link here, check tables having overhead. Can't get any easier than that. It automatically checks all the tables in your database that have overhead, and then in this drop down box to the right of that, click on that, and just out of the scope of this video was a link that said optimize table. Now you can either use that or repair table. The results of either one of those would be the same thing, the removal of that overhead. So now if we come on back to our database and scroll down, you can see that the overhead has been successfully removed and our database is chugging along on all cylinders, nice and smooth. Then just close out our PHPMyAdmin. Come on back here just to make sure that our site still works. Refresh, and we're in business. Now that's the quick and easy way. Just in case you're wondering, there are plugins that you can install onto your WordPress site that will do a lot of this manual stuff for you automatically. One such plugin is called WP-DB Manager, and you just go to Add New under Plugins, do a search for WP-DB Manager. This is going to pop up. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate, and then just follow the process of setting this up. But whether you're doing this through the help of a plugin or the manual way, if you will, that I just showed you, in either case, before you do anything, make sure that you have a full backup of both your files and your database. That's going to bring us to the end of this video on quickly and easily optimizing your WordPress database. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.